Okay, I got some leftover tequila, some wings in the freezer, and some lime in the fridge. Let's make some tequila lime wings. Let's go. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. Let's do a quick roll call. We have our wings here. We have garlic powder, cayenne pepper, and chili powder in this bowl. We have some Srirachi hot sauce right here. We have a handful of fresh chopped cilantro, lime juice. We have some agave nectar, chopped garlic. We got some tequila. Guys, you can use brown or clear tequila, whichever you want to do. Some lime zest, some cumin, salt, and pepper. So these are the ingredients. Guys, let's go ahead and get started. So this is a very simple recipe. We're gonna take all the ingredients we had except for the chicken, and we're gonna start adding them in this bowl right here. So we're gonna take our tequila, our lime juice, our garlic, our lime zest, our agave nectar. Guys, if you don't have agave nectar, you can use honey or you can use maple syrup, whichever one. Our cumin, salt, pepper, chili powder, cayenne and garlic powder. I'm sorry, onion powder. Guys, that's onion powder, not garlic powder. Our cilantro, and our Srirachi chili sauce. And what we're gonna do is just gonna get at a good mix, just like this. All right, so this is what we have. So now I'm gonna bring back our chicken into the shot, and we're gonna take our mixture, tequila lime mixture that we just made, and we're gonna pour it here in this bag. Just like that. We're gonna let all the air out of it. And we're gonna let this marinate for 2 to 4 hours. You can do overnight if you want to, but we're gonna leave it in about 2 to 4 hours, and then we're gonna come right back. All right, so we are about 24 hours in. I thought I was gonna have these babies sitting for 4 hours, but man, I got busy and started doing some other things, so I just left them in this marinade overnight. So we're gonna go ahead and get them placed on our, in our basket here. So first what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray our basket with some cooking spray. That way it doesn't stick. And I'm gonna cook these in our air fryer oven, but I'm not gonna use the air fryer. I'm gonna cook them on bake. So we're gonna start just laying our pieces in here like this. Now that we have them on a basket, I'm preheating our air fryer oven to 400 degrees. We're gonna cook these on the bake setting, not on the air fryer setting. So I'm not sure how long it's gonna take, but I'm going to go ahead and let them cook for 30 minutes. But I'm gonna flip them over midway through the process and check them out to see if they're done or if they're ready to go. But we're gonna start about 30 minutes. We may can get them up to 40 minutes, but again, like I said, I haven't cooked it on this bake setting in this air fry oven. So let's go ahead and put them in the oven. Push these inside. We're gonna close this baby up, and we're gonna change it to bake. We're gonna put our temperature on 400, and we're gonna do it for 30 minutes. We're gonna turn them over midway through the cooking process around 15 minutes, and we're gonna take a look at them to determine how much longer we're gonna bake them after that, all right? All right, so we're gonna pause it. We are 20 minutes in, so I took a look at our wings at about 15 minutes. I said, okay, we can go another 5 minutes on these. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna turn them over. And we're probably gonna cook them the same amount of time we typically cook, around about 40 to 45 minutes. At least for me, I like mine extra crispy. All right, so I'm going to, matter of fact, I'm gonna turn this rack around. Seems like a lot of heat is getting to the back, so we'll just kind of switch the positions of it. I'm gonna put this back in here, and I'm gonna allow that to cook for another 15 to 20 minutes. I'm gonna check it right after around 15-minute mark to see what we're looking at. Bake. We're gonna change our temperature. Man, I love this Paris Roll air fryer. I'm telling you guys, I love this thing, this air fryer. It has so many different settings on it. So I'm gonna do 15 minutes and we'll be right back. All right, guys, we are about 35 minutes in. So we're looking good in here, man. So I'm gonna pour these babies out. I'm gonna let you guys take a look at them. Guys, take a look at that. Now, I know some of you guys will say, oh man, those are burnt. No, they're not. Shut up. That's because when you marinate your chicken or anything like that in some type, especially type of alcohol, it always darkens the outside of the chicken or whatever the meat it is. So, especially chicken. Let me just say chicken because I know that for a fact with chicken. So this is how it looks, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this over in a plate, and we're gonna go ahead and get into our final presentation and quality control. And there you have it. tequila lime wings. Let me know what you think about this recipe in the comment section below. Let me know if this is the way you make your tequila lime wings. I love to hear what you got to say. Also, the measurements and ingredients in the video description below. Let's go ahead and get into quality control so we can test these babies out. All right, let's go. All right, back for quality control. You already know, at the table, got my wings. I'm gonna go ahead and get into them because, man, they smell good and I just want to try them out. I had a good day, it was hanging. So let's go ahead and try it out. Oh man. Yeah, I love me some tequila lime wings. And what I like about this, God, this is delicious first. Let me tell you, this is delicious. And what I like about tequila lime wings is you don't have to put any sauce on that, they're done. They're ready to go. Man, and these are good. They're marinating for about 24 hours. It worked well. Man, oh man, these are good. Now, Tyson has some tequila lime wings that someone turned me on years ago, man. I want to say it had to be about, man, it's probably been maybe over 10 years. Around 10 years, somewhere in there, where they turned me on to those Tyson tequila lime wings, and man, they used to be so good. And me, I hate frozen wings. I don't like to eat them, but those were so good. Now, when I see that bag, something about it doesn't have the same flavor. I don't know if they cut back on the tequila or the lime, but they just don't taste the same. So guys, let me know if you had that same experience with those Tyson tequila lime wings. But until then, I'm your cook, Spinelli. Y'all already know this is all wings, everything, and you know you need to try this. And remember, I'm not a chef. I just cook a lot, and now I'm out. Peace.